What is going on, YouTube? Tom here. Time to finally drive this car a little bit. Probably gonna have to adjust the lighting here in a second with the camera. So I got my new Canon T7i. I've got it mounted to the windshield. Decided to experiment today, and we're gonna do a little bit of a driving vlog with the new camera. No, I stand correct. That's not too bad on the lighting. Y'all give me feedback for this kind of thing. So definitely want to hear what you all think about it, because I'm new to this whole DSLR thing. I do film in manual mode, and currently audio is automatic, but I've already been given one recommendation to do it in manual. I'm gonna drive the car in normal mode today. I don't really want too much exhaust noise. Ah, man. Went to a car show last night to break it in. Of course, you'll all see that video too. That video will be posted before this one. But the big one was I just wanted to challenge myself to learn this camera. Of course, this is another one. Like right now, what I'm doing with it is same thing, really. Just trying to learn it. Get used to using it. I wanted to see, does it really work well for an in-car vlog? And actually, I think it will for this length. I've got it on the far end of the windshield. Normally, when I do the GoPro, I've got it's like the center of the windshield. So definitely, it's a bit of a learning experience. I did get the recommendation by another YouTuber and one of my subscribers to go ahead and do a wide-angle lens that'll be better for vlogging. I agree with that 100%. I would like to, at some point, try to help this vlog. The problem with that is that costs money, and it's a lot of money that right now I just don't have. The good news about that is that could replace the GoPro. Bad news is it costs as much as a GoPro for a good wide-angle lens, for a good name brand Canon wide-angle lens, that is. Yeah, I could get it used or refurbished, save a little money, but you just don't know how anything's been treated when you get it used. And lenses are one of those things I'd rather go ahead and get new. I don't mind spending the money on it. I just hope that audio is coming through clearer on this microphone. That's my big hopes. Like, this microphone, I'm hoping will really help it. I might even use this microphone on the GoPro just because this is a higher quality microphone. The car's pulling right out in front of me with no warning, and it's not like there's a large gap behind me. You have to be in front of me. Love bad drivers around here. They just make my life so much better. But yes, better microphone. It is one tier above on the Rode microphone lineup. I've got the Rode Video Micro that I use for the GoPro, and this is the Video Go. This one's actually the highest you go on the Rode lineup before you get into the powered mics. This has still got just camera power, no external power. I did a cold start with it for that vlog yesterday, and I'm like, oh my god, that sounds so amazing, just through my phone's speakers. I've yet to even, at the time of making this, I have yet to even put it on the camera, or my computer, that is. And I can't wait to hear it, because that will sound amazing. No idea what's going on. I see a crane and a bunch of cop cars all in a line. No clue anymore. So I must have lost some piece of equipment in the river. Interesting stuff, you see. Buddy, this isn't even a crosswalk. And guys walking in front of my car where there is no sidewalk and no crosswalk. Again, I love people around here. I'm on my way to go get some coffee right now, and then I gotta go pick up one of my textbooks I had to order. Figured, you know what, it's Friday, I'm gonna take my car and do some errands with it. See, the other good news about this is this frees up the GoPro to be potentially mounted outside the car. people. Actually, talked to one of the guys again that I previously talked to. Interesting kid. He's 16. He's actually wanting to start his own detailing business. So he asked me, you know, if I'd be willing to let him detail my car. Of course, I'll put his Instagram on screen here. And I told him, yeah, hit me up with all your information. So be on the lookout for that. If this kid follows through, I'm definitely going to help him out. I want to give him a shout out because I'm just like, that's amazing that 16 and wanting to start a business. I think that's awesome. I really want to help this kid out. He drives a Mustang as well. Part of me likes that about him. Pretty cool kid. I'm happy with people like that. That's the kind of people I want to go out to these events and meet. So definitely be on the lookout for something like that, because that's going to be interesting. I'm still looking at putting this car on a dyno. I'm still trying to get some information on that. There is a shop near me that has a dyno. They're roughly 15 minutes away or so, and I'm hoping to hit them up eventually and just be like, hey, what would it take for you all to put my car, stock Mustang GT, on a dyno? So that's something I've been I keep saying I want to do, and I think I'm at the point where I finally want to just go ahead and do it. The big downside is, you know, money is tight right now. But I do have Fridays off, which is like, it's great. I finally have a day of the week off to myself. I could do something like this, but then the downside is I don't have any money to do anything with. Like, car parts, forget about it. Like, car parts are probably not going to be happening. Y'all are watching this video through the reason why. But overall, you know, I'm still happy with this camera. This is definitely going to help this channel, because the quality of video is going to go up. Hopefully, air vents are not in the way of the microphone. I just forgot to think about that. Hopefully that's not a thing, because I know the GoPro is real sensitive to that. Oh, I gotta wait for the light to turn green. Hey, would be another Ford. Alright. Pretty close to this Wawa here. This is how you know you own a car you like to drive, is I'm not going to the Wawa close to me. I'm actually going to the one farther from me, just so I have an excuse to drive my car more. One more set of 7,000 shifts for you all. There's got people literally braking. Like, I'm coming up behind you and you brake, man. I appreciate that. So I'm coming up behind you, doing 7,000 RPM shifts, and I'm going a little bit faster than 55, 56-ish, wink wink. Oh well. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you all think. I know this has kind of been more of a random vlog. I didn't really want to go and spend all the time to make like this detailed vlog. I figured just something for fun, just a little bit of conversation, but yeah, let me know what you all want to see on this channel in terms of content, because that's the big one. I want to take input from you all too, because it's not necessarily about what I want to make. I also got to make what you all want to see, so that's always important. I definitely want to put this car in a dyno. Hopefully going to help another like starting business out. That I can't wait for. Like, I hope this kid comes through. Like, I really want to help him out. Really nice guy. Seems like he's real friendly at the car show. He's running up talking to so many people. Seems like he knows everybody there. So that's definitely something I want to do. I want to help this kid out. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think about all that. If you did like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. New camera, who dis? You know, excited to really make some better content with this camera. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.